This is Nancy with Fix This House, and I want to show you how to remove the knobs on your Samsung range. So let me give you a nice close-up right here of these control knobs right here. So in order to remove them, you need to pull them straight out, okay? You could squeeze the two sides here to get a better grip and then pull straight out. Just don't turn it left and right while you're doing that. And then you can wash this section here around it, or you could take your knob and bring it to the sink and rinse it off. If you get, sometimes you can get spaghetti sauce or whatever, something really bad on this that's difficult to clean on the machine and a lot easier to do. But clean inside here and around it. And then to replace it, you want to see that right on here there is a flat side on the round post. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. So it's a circle with a flat part. And you can see it right here, the flat part's at the top. And you want to line it up and push it straight in. And that's how you remove and replace the, it's pretty, doesn't it? Remove and replace the knobs. A little bit better. All right. So if you have any questions or comments, please write them down below, and good luck with your Samsung stove. Thanks for watching.